The International Federation for Information Processing is a global organization for researchers and professionals working in the field of information and communication technologies. Established in 1960 under the auspices of UNESCO, IFIP is recognized by the United Nations and links some 50 national and international societies and academies of science with a total membership of over 500,000 professionals. IFIP is based in Luxembourg, Austria, and is an international, non-governmental organization that operates on a non-profit basis. Activities are coordinated by 13 technical committees which are organized into more than 100 working groups, bringing together over 3,500 ICT professionals and researchers from around the world to conduct research, develop standards and promote information sharing. Each TC covers a particular aspect of computing and related disciplines, as detailed below. IFIP actively promotes the principle of open access, and proceedings for which IFIP holds the copyright are made available electronically via IFIP's Open Access Digital Library. Downloading articles from IFIP's OpenDL is not only free of charge, but unlike commercial publishers and other professional organizations, IFIP does not charge authors of open access articles to publish in its OpenDL. Conference and workshop organizers who prefer printed proceedings can take advantage of the agreement between IFIP and Springer and publish their proceedings as part of IFIP's Advances in Information and Communication Technology series or in the Lecture Notes in Computer Science series. Proceedings published by Springer in IFIP's LNCS and AICT series will be included within IFIP's OpenDL after an embargo period of 3 years. An important activity of the IFIP technical committees is to organize and sponsor high-quality conferences and workshops in the field of ICT. Sponsoring is generally in the form of best paper awards or student travel grants. To assist conference and workshop organizers, IFIP has facilities to host conference websites and supports conference management systems such as GEMS, which include export functions that seamlessly integrate with IFIP's OpenDL. History. IFIP was established in 1960 under the auspices of UNESCO, originally under the name of the International Federation of Information Processing Societies. In preparation, UNESCO had organized the first international conference on information processing, which took place in June 1959 in Paris, and is now considered the first IFIP Congress. The name was changed to IFIP in 1961. The organization's original contribution was to define the ALGOL 60 programming language. In one of the first examples of truly international collaboration in computer science, left a durable mark on the entire field. The founding president of IFIP was Isaac L. Auerbach. In 2009, IFIP established the International Professional Practice Partnership to lead the development of the global ICT profession. Technical committees. IFIP's activities are centered on its 13 technical committees, which are divided into working groups. These groups organize conferences and workshops, distribute technical papers and promote discussion and research outcomes. A full list of IFIP technical committees is listed below. TC1. Foundations of Computer Science. TC2. Software, Theory and Practice. TC3. Education. TC5. Information Technology Applications. TC6. Communication Systems. TC7. System Modeling and Optimization. TC8. Information Systems. TC9. Relationship between computers and society. TC10. Computer Systems Technology. TC11. Security and Protection in Information Processing Systems. TC12. Artificial Intelligence. TC13, Human-Computer Interaction. TC14, Entertainment Computing. IFIPTC1 Foundations of Computer Science. The current IFIPTC1, which focuses on foundations of computer science, was established in 1997. There was an earlier TC1, covering terminology, which was IFIP's first technical committee. Formed in 1961, it produced a multilingual dictionary of information processing terminology, but was later disbanded. The working groups of the current TC1 are WG1.1 Continuous Algorithms and Complexity, WG1.2 Descriptional Complexity, WG1.3 Foundations of System Specification, WG1.4 Computational Learning Theory, WG1.5 Cellular Automata and Discrete Complex Systems, WG1.6 Term Rewriting, WG1.7 Theoretical Foundations of Security Analysis and Design, WG1.8 Concurrency Theory, WG1.9 Verified Software, WG1.1 No-String Algorithmics and Applications. IFIPTC2 Software Theory and Practice, established in 1962. IFIPTC2 explores software theory and practice with the aim of improving software quality by studying all aspects of the software development process, to better understand and enhance programming concepts. The working groups of IFIPTC2 are WG2.1 on Algorithmic Languages and Calculi, WG2.2 Formal Description of Programming Concepts, WG2.3 Programming Methodology, WG2.4 Software Implementation Technology, WG2.5 Numerical Software, WG2.6 Databases, WG2.7 User Interface Engineering, WG2.8 Functional Programming, WG2.9 Software Requirements Engineering, WG2.10 on Software Architecture, WG2.11 Program Generation, WG2.12 Web Semantics, WG2.13 Open Source Software, WG2.14 Service-Oriented Systems, WG2.15 Verified Software, WG2.16 Programming Language Design, IFIPTC3 Education. The formation of TC3, to deal with computers and education, was announced in 1962. Richard Buckingham of the University of London was appointed its first chairman, and TC3 held its initial meeting in Paris in February 1964. The working groups of IFIPTC3 are WG3.1 Informatics and Digital Technologies in School Education, WG3.3 Research into Educational Applications of Information Technologies, WG3.4 Professional and Vocational Education in ICT, WG3.7 Information Technology in Educational Management, IFIPTC5 Information Technology Applications, established in 1970. IFIPTC5 provides a focus for multidisciplinary research into the application of information technologies and practices to facilitate information management. It encompasses work in product lifecycle management, digital modeling, virtual products creation, integrated manufacturing, production management, and more. The working groups of IFIPTC5 are WG5.1 Information Technology in the Product Realization Process, WG5.4 Computer-Aided Innovation, WG5.5 Cooperation Infrastructure for Virtual Enterprises and Electronic Business, WG5.7 Advances in Production Management Systems, WG5.8 Enterprise Interoperability, WG5.10 Computer Graphics and Virtual Worlds, WG5.11 Computers and Environment, WG 5.12 Architectures for Enterprise Integration, WG 5.13 Bioinformatives and its Applications, WG 5.14 Advanced Information Processing for Agriculture, IFI PTC 6 Communication Systems established in 1971. IFI PTC 6 is one of the largest TCs within IFIP in terms of activities and revenues. TC6 has 9 working groups as well as a number of special interest groups, the majority of which are concerned either with specific aspects of communications systems themselves or with the application of communications systems. In addition, 1WG focuses on communications in developing countries. TC6 meets twice a year, in spring and fall, usually co-locating its meetings with a related conference. Examples of TC6 conferences include IFIP Networking, Discotech, Middleware, WIOPT, CNSM, Integrated Network Management, and Wireless Days. Membership of a TC6WG or SIG is open to leading researchers within the field, independent of the national society within the country of origin. Well-known TC6 members include Vince Cerf, Andre Danthina, Donald Davies, Peter Kirstein, Robert Metcalf, Louis Pouzin and Hubert Zimmerman. Each WG or SIG elects a chair and vice chair for a period of 3 years. WG and SIG chairs are, next to the national representatives and some key researchers, automatically members of TC6. TC6 is a strong proponent of open access and the driving force behind the IFIP Open Digital Library. The IFIP OpenDL is currently operated by TC6 and eventually will move to the INRIA HAL system. To ensure maximum accessibility of accepted papers, several TC6 conferences publish their proceedings not only in the IFIP OpenDL, but also in other online systems, such as IEEE Explore, ACMDL, ResearchGate and Arxiv. TC6 supports conferences by providing best paper awards as well as student travel grants. Conference organizers who intend to obtain IFIP sponsorship are encouraged to fill in the online event request form. Depending on the category and type of event, IFIP may charge fees to conferences to cover the costs of awards as well as the IFIP Secretariat. The working groups of IFIP TC6 are WG 6.1 Architectures and Protocols for Distributed Systems, WG 6.2 Network and Internetwork Architectures, WG 6.3 Performance of Communication Systems, WG 6.4 Internet Applications Engineering, WG 6.6 Management of Networks and Distributed Systems, WG 6.8 Mobile and Wireless Communications, WG 6.9 Communications Systems in Developing Countries, WG 6.10 Photonic Networking, WG 6.11 Communication Aspects of the E-World, WG 6.12 Service-Oriented Systems. In November 2015, a new special interest group on Internet of People was created. IFI-PTC7 System Modeling and Optimization. IFI-PTC7 was founded in 1972 by A.V. Balakrishnan, J.L. Lyons and M. Marchuk. The aims of this technical committee are to provide an international clearinghouse for computational aspects of optimization problems in diverse areas and to share computing experience gained on specific applications, to promote the development of necessary high-level theory to meet the needs of complex optimization problems and establish appropriate cooperation with the International Mathematics Union and similar organizations, to foster interdisciplinary activity on optimization problems spanning the various areas such as economics, biomedicine, meteorology, etc., in cooperation with associated international bodies. The working groups of IFIPTC7 are WG 7.1 Modeling and Simulation, WG 7.2 Computational Techniques in Distributed Systems. WG 7.3 Computer System Modeling. WG 7.4 Inverse Problems and Imaging. WG 7.5 Reliability and Optimization of Structural Systems. WG 7.6 Optimization-Based Computer-Aided Modeling and Design. WG 7.7 on Stochastic Optimization. IFI PTC-8 Information Systems. IFI PTC-8 was established in 1976 and focuses on information systems. This committee aims to promote and encourage the advancement of research and practice of concepts, methods, techniques and issues related to information systems in organizations. It currently includes the following working groups: WG 8.1 Design and Evaluation of Information Systems. WG 8.2 The Interaction of Information Systems and the Organization. WG 8.3 Decision Support Systems. WG 8.4 E-Business, Multidisciplinary Research and Practice. WG 8.5 Information Systems in Public Administration. WG 8.6 Transfer and Diffusion of Information Technology. WG 8.9 Enterprise Information Systems. WG 8.10 Service-Oriented Systems. WG 8.11 Information Systems Security Research. IFI PTC-9 ICT and Society. IFI PTC-9 on ICT and Society was formed in 1976 to develop greater understanding of how ICT innovation is associated with changes in society and to influence the shaping of socially responsible and ethical policies and professional practices. The main work of the TC9 is conducted through its working groups, which organize regular conferences and events, including the Human Choice and Computers Conference Series. This is a well-established forum for the study of ICT and society. The first HCC conference took place in Vienna in 1974, while the last one took place in Finland in 2014. The working groups of IFI PTC-9 are: WG 9.1 Computers and Work, WG 9.2 Social Accountability and Computing, SIG 9.2.2 Ethics and Computing, WG 9.3 Home-Oriented Informatics and Telematics, HOIT, WG 9.4 Social Implications of Computers in Developing Countries, WG 9.5 Virtuality and Society, WG 9.6 Information Technology Misuse and the Law, WG 9.7 History of Computing, WG 9.8 Gender Diversity and ICT, WG 9.9 ICT and Sustainable Development, WG 9.10 ICT Uses in Peace and War, IFI PTC-10 Computer Systems Technology. IFI PTC-10 was founded in 1976 and revised in 1987. It aims to promote state-of-the-art concepts, methodologies and tools in the life cycle of computer systems and to coordinate the exchange of information around these practices. TC10 currently has 4 working groups: WG 10.2 Embedded Systems, WG 10.3 Concurrent Systems, WG 10.4 Dependable Computing and Fault Tolerance, WG 10.5 Design and Engineering of Electronic Systems, IFI PTC-11 Security and Privacy Protection in Information Processing Systems. IFI PTC-11 on Security and Privacy Protection in Information Processing Systems was founded in 1984 and revised in 2006 and 2009. It focuses on increasing the trustworthiness of and general confidence in information processing and providing a forum for security and privacy protection experts and others professionally active in the field to share information in advanced standards. IFI PTC-11 currently has the following working groups: WG 11.1 Information Security Management, WG 11.2 Pervasive Systems Security. WG 11.3 Data and Application Security and Privacy. WG 11.4 Network and Distributed Systems Security. WG 11.5 IT Assurance and Audit. WG 11.6 Identity Management. WG 11.7 Information Technology, Misuse and the Law. WG 11.8 Information Security Education. WG 11.9 Digital Forensics. WG 11.10 Critical Infrastructure Protection. WG 11.11 Trust Management. WG 11.12 Human Aspects of Information Security and Assurance. WG 11.13 Information Systems Security Research. WG 11.14 Secure Engineering. IFIPTC 12 Artificial Intelligence. IFIPTC 12 on Artificial Intelligence was established in 1984 and revised in 1991 and 2004. It aims to foster the development and understanding of artificial intelligence and its applications worldwide, and to promote interdisciplinary exchanges between AI and other fields of information processing. IFIPTC 12 currently includes the following working groups: WG 12.1 Knowledge Representation and Reasoning. WG 12.2 Machine Learning and Data Mining. WG 12.3 Intelligent Agents. WG 12.4 Semantic Web. WG 12.5 Artificial Intelligence Applications. WG 12.6 Knowledge Management and Innovation AI 4KM. WG 12.7 Social Networking, Semantics and Collective Intelligence. WG 12.8 Intelligent Bioinformatics and Biomedical Systems. WG 12.9 Computational Intelligence. IFI-PTC 13 Human-Computer Interaction. IFI-PTC 13 on Human-Computer Interaction was founded in 1989. It aims to encourage empirical research, to promote the use of knowledge and methods from the human sciences in both design and evaluation of computer systems, to promote better understanding of the relation between formal design methods and system usability and acceptability, to develop guidelines, models and methods by which designers may be able to provide better human-oriented computer systems, and to cooperate with other groups inside and outside IFIP, so as to promote user orientation and humanization in system design. TC13 currently has 9 working groups. WG 13.1 Education in HCI and HCI Curricula. WG 13.2 Methodology for User-Centered System Design. WG 13.3 Human-Computer Interaction and Disability. WG 13.4 User Interface Engineering. WG 13.5 Resilience, Reliability, Safety and Human Error in System Development. WG 13.6 Human Work Interaction Design. WG 13.7 Human-Computer Interaction and Visualization. WG 13.8 Interaction Design and International Development. WG 13.9 Interaction Design and Children. Members. List of full members as of 2015, June 22. List of associate members as of 2015, June 22. Council of European Professional Informatics Societies, Ireland. International Medical Informatics Association, Japan. Southeast Asia Regional Computer Confederation. The Very Large Databases Endowment, Conferences.